Okay, so this is what we have. As you can see, we've successfully placed it on the pole. So the next thing we are going to do is actually place the dish on it, wire it up, and then we can begin the rail work. So stay tuned and then let's do that. Action. Okay friends, so this is what we have with the actuator. So what is left with is wiring it and then testing it. So that is what we have. It's not quite tuned yet. Just put it together. Tested just one satellite on the C-band. So hopefully to be done. This is the 90 centimeter DSTV. Did the other day, still functioning perfectly. And then we have the 1.8 over here. Alright, so basically that is what we have. So we've paired the LMBs, KU, and then a C-band. The C-band is a bigger one, the KU below it, through a dissect on top there, and then all the way inside. So this is what we have for our 1.8 meter dish. Ask your questions, suggestions, and whatever it is in the comment section. Alright, we'll meet in the next video. Subscribe, like, and then share to your friends. Bye.